The first step is to ensure the camera is powered properly. Here you can connect the camera to either DC or AC extension cable depending on the length you need. If you are using DC extension cable, please make sure you use 18 wire gauge or thicker. Generally speaking, the thicker the cable, the longer it can run. Otherwise, when it reaches the camera, the voltage may be below 12 and it will affect the night vision performance of the camera. AC extension cable is just those pre-made cable that looks like a single port extended power stripe, as you can see from the picture. Or if you have an electrical engineer there who may be able to help you wire AC power through wall or ground, but that's very complicated. And those are one of the most secure choices for power supply. Once the camera is powered, it will perform a self-test as expected. Then you can connect the camera to the router using Ethernet cable. Finally, you can set up and configure the camera using your computer. Your computer should be either wired or wirelessly connected to the same router that the camera is connected.